So here's the new website. We decided to redesign and reassign all the categories in the navbar and make it functional, as the current Botanist and the Bee website is not functional at all. It would have like a little picture introducing the shop with a carousel menu, and it would have a review service attached to it so that people could actually post real reviews of the shop. And it would have the opening hours and the location right at the bottom of the homepage so that people know when the shop is open and where to find it. In the About section, it talks a lot more about who they are, what their story is behind the shop and the business, why they wanted to open it in Dundee. So basically, their experience with plant shops in the Netherlands and how they wanted to recreate this exotic plant shop. And it talks also about sustainability. It has an events page where there is a little bit of a timeline, and they can update it each month. And basically, people can just read up on all of the workshops and discounts that are happening at the shop itself. There's a bit of a cafe menu, since we thought, that's bringing together like a business that sells plants and like having a little bit of a food and drink outlet would make people buy more plants. There's a contact us page that is dedicated entirely to like contact form and social media. The social media pages are linked here, so it's also easier for people to access them. And yeah, the contact page, you can just fill out a form and press send, and it will send a form to their email connected to it. And the best part about the new website is like the product catalog, because there's several sections that you can choose from. It's very well organized. All the plants are little cards, or the products will tell you if they're available or not, otherwise they're grayed out. They have like a section for pottery now, they have a section for plant care, and ideally we wanted to also add like a little segment or marker on the plants that would say if it's pet friendly or not. But yeah, basically you can search up a plant, you can find it, add it to basket, and basically here it will give you the option to either click this away and keep shopping, or you can just press confirm and pay, and it will give you a reference.